Hi guys, welcome to the fifth video in the series of Paint 3D. Previously I've done brushes, 2D shapes, 3D shapes, and stickers. This mouse is different because you can see it's black and it has a text sign. Others, they were just like you were about to draw something or make something. So let's go back to text. Here you can do 2D text or 3D text. I think 3D text looks pretty nice. Like if I were to make a box right here, type in, and if I were to start typing, this is it in 3D text, and this is 2D text. I don't really see a difference right now, but you can make these different texts way cooler. Yeah. You can change the fonts here to like cursive. This is not really cursive, but it looks like it. I'm not sure what this one is. Let's try it. Like if we were to do all of these at the same time, you could kind of see it. Try to create this here. Just start right here, then create it. If I were to start typing, oh, sorry. You're about to do emoji, right? Yeah. You can see that. You can't really see the font itself because you have this one on. Then you can see how the font looks. This kind of makes it slanted, this one right here. This makes it underline. This makes it italicized, I think. And this makes it bold. These are different places for you to write. I think this would be for like title or to make something nice. And you can also change the color here to anything you want, purple or pink here. So that's how you do it. Here, if you wanted, you could go to 3D shapes, create a girl, for example. And if you were to start, for example, to get into brushes, and then here, then you start, for example, tracing here. Oh, Control Z is undo. Like if you start here, like starting to trace. I'm not gonna do it perfectly right now, but you can do way better than this. You could just color this whole thing, and remember you can make this thicker, like that. Then it'll be way easier to color this. Believe me. Look how easy that is. Then you can color her whole thing if you wanted. Then you could add stickers. Then you could go to glasses and add them right. Then move it a little bit. And maybe make them a little bigger right there. Move them a little bit. Oh. Move it. Oh, sorry. Then you just move it if you wanted. And then you can add her face. Or I would do that later. And then I would go to text. And I would make it yes 3D and maybe change the color to pink. And then that's a good size. And then if I were to like make the box, and then if I were to move it, or like, I just get it right here and move it. And if I were to write an S, or underline it, and I make it even bigger, and I write an S, then I like move this up by right here, and I put it on her shirt, then you can create someone really cool with these cool tricks. Like that. Like that. That's just a little bit of a person. You could add even more stuff if you wanted, like a face. Anyone you want. I'll just do happy here. I don't know. And then a nose, maybe, if there is. I don't think there's. Oh, yeah, there is a nose. Then you can make this person come to life here. Then if you were to add the ears, on the ears, then you move it to the ear place, then you press it, or you do another ear, and you create it, and then you do, I'm not sure how to flip this, but then it would go to the other side. If you were to make it super small, you can't really notice actually that it's a different one. Like that. Then you just make this one, or never mind. Then you could color her pants, like brushes, go to orange for example, and start here. Then you just keep coloring. Then you go to red. Then you color this. Like that. And then you maybe find some peach here, like this one. Then you color her hand. That. This is like spray paint. When it's thick, it goes all around. And you press brown. And you color her hair. Well, that's not really good. Oh, Control Z. Let's make it a little thinner here. Then you color her hair. It's not perfect, but it's good. And then you finish the rest of her, and that's what you can do with everything I taught you or showed you in the past few videos, including this one. That's what you can do, but I was just doing this quicker. But if you slow down, you could make something way better than this because you guys are very good at everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I might put the past few videos in a playlist and this one, and it might also put their links in the description below. You might have to do show more to see the rest of it. It's probably just going to show you a little bit, or maybe even nothing. I think it'll show you some. So I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and like to my videos and my channel. My channel is Shooting Star. That's it for this video. Bye.